Hello everyone. In this TLM, we are going to see different types of nouns. As we all know, noun is a naming word and it gives example of different person, place, animals and things. Like if we talk about person like mother, Arjun, doctor, man or boy. These are examples of persons which can be called noun. Places, we can take example of different places like hospital, park, school. Animals, name of any animal can be a noun, as noun is a naming word. Name of anything can be a noun. So there are different types of noun. First we are going to see about common noun. Common noun denote common items and common name of any person, place, animal or thing, like girl, city, fruit, bird. These are examples of common noun. Now let us see proper noun. These nouns identify specific person, place, animal or thing. Now we are going to see compound nouns. These are collective nouns and these are abstract nouns like feeling or ideas. Thank you.